519, commenting 17,000.
LT, JetBlue 519.
JetBlue 929, near center 134.6.
3460, take care, JetBlue 929.
JetBlue 215, maintain 17,000, and contact near center 132.1, checking with the speed.
132.1.
FedEx 3806, left turn direct SIMs, maintain 17,000.
Left turn direct SIM, 517,000, FedEx 3806, and
7 direct Biggie, maintain 17,000.
call sign block.
American 527, direct Biggie, maintain 17,000.
17,000, direct Biggie, American 527.
Welcome back, guys. Today we are finally exploring Microsoft Flight Simulator. And we're in the beautiful Leonardo Maddog MD-82. We are using PSXC con traffic combined with real traffic and live ATC. We are going to simulate this guy, Delta 2469. As always, we'll use PSXC con traffic. We're going to do this. Black call sign, all caps, Delta 2469. As soon as I hit enter, you're going to see this little diamond disappear. If we look at flight radar 24, this is what it looks like. And we are Delta 2469 over here. So I have it filtered just so we can see LaGuardia traffic. If I take it off, it will look like this. It's kind of a clutter. I prefer it this way. So we have an airplane behind us as well, company 2817 from Orlando, and then we have a brickyard ahead of us. Currently, LaGuardia is landing runway 22. So once we get handed off to New York approach, we're going to go this path, follow the Hudson, go to Verrazano Bridge, follow the Hudson northbound, and then that will be our downwind leg, and then we will turn base over here, be sequenced in with traffic.
Delta 2469, descend via the 44 arrival, Philadelphia, Altimeter 3013.
I'm going to put in 10,000.
Jet 219, send your descent cross JT, maintain 13,000, Philadelphia, altimeter 3013. 7 Charlie, contact New York 135.45.
4537 Charlie.
Thank you.
128 flight level 350.
So let's check out the weather real quick at LaGuardia. Showing information Foxtrot 1951 Zulu observation. Winds 3205 knots. Visibility 10. Few clouds 9,000. Ceiling broken 25,000. Temperature 29 and dew point 6. Altimeter 3010. Atlas runway 22 approaching use. Landing runway 22. Departing 13 and low level wind shear advisories are in effect.
That's greater now, United 2049.
Got my first officer over here doing a great job.
Delta 2469, New York 127.3.
Good on, have a good day.
Sure.
New York, Delta 2469, 12-1, turning the head,
2469, New York approach, altimeter 3010.
Roger.
3010.
7,000.
7,000, American 2215.
South 739, turn right in 140.
140, south of 739.
11 for 10,000.
050, descend to maintain 3,000. 7.
So controller is working combined feeder with final.
2215, proceed direct to bridge, follow the Hudson River northbound, descend to maintain 4,000.
Bridge, Hudson northbound, 4,000, American 2215.
So the Verrazano is right here.
74691, you have LaGuardia in sight.
You have a Guardia in sight.
And we will be following the northbound along the Hudson. It's going to be our downwind leg. That'll keep us separated from all the Newark and Teterboro traffic, as well as the traffic to the east.
We got on TCAS.
That's 988, follow the regional jet, clear visual approach 22.
Should get a decent here, just a little bit.
Clear to ILS, or visual 22, 988.
That's 988, tower 18.7.
18.7, 988.
Delta 2469, descend to maintain 900,000.
That's us, 9,000.
2817, near approach, limit at 3010. Brickyard 4587, reduce speed to 180.
180 on speed, Brickyard 4587.
4990, reduce speed to 180.
Load 180, that's 4990. Dark Delta 2817, 10,000 with left track.
Delta 2817, near approach, limit at 3010.
3010, Delta 2017.
2469, descend to maintain 7000.
7,000.
7,000 for Delta 2469.
7,000 set.
Out at 1457, descend to maintain 2000.
2,000, 1457.
Number 4990, fly heading 050.
I think 050,
Fred Brickyard 4861, 11.1, descending 10,000 MPD.
He's out there,
1457, turn right heading 190, advise the Guardia in sight.
Confirm 7,000 for Delta 2469.
2469, affirmative 7000. United 1457, turn right heading 190, advise the Guardia in sight.
Right 190, inside United 1457.
1457, clear visual approach 22, tower 187. 0.
As a matter of fact, we will be able to see like Newark departure over there as well.
Follow the Hudson northbound, center maintain 4000.
Next bridge, Hudson northbound, 4000, Brickyard 40,075.
2469, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles southbound, 6000, Airbus.
2469,
Okay, so that's the Newark departure.
715, center maintain 7000.
7,000, southwest 715.
Oh no, oh there he is.
Air 4591, near approach, limit at 3010.
So we'll be hearing traffic no factor and descend maintain 4,000 and probably direct Verrazano file the Hudson River northbound.
10, Brickyard 40,075.
2469, reduce speed to 210, and center maintain 4000.
Speed 210, 4,000.
210 down to 4,000, Delta 2469.
Air 4723, reduce speed to 210.
Speed 210, Brickyard
4,000 set.
Air 5683, tower 187.
1870, Brickyard
5683.
Sight. Jazz 988, turn right heading 040.
Right heading 040, Jazz 988.
2215, turn right heading
Over
130.
here to our left is Newark Airport.
Air 4587, 3 from Greco 2000, so establish on localizer, cleared out runway 22 approach. Team center maintain 2000.
3000, Brickyard 215.
Air 4587, tower 187.
87, good day, Brickyard 4587.
South 715, proceed direct to bridge, follow the Hudson northbound.
Direct to the bridge up to Hudson southwest 722.
2469, turn left heading 020, enable, follow the Hudson northbound.
020 up to Hudson.
Direct 2215, you have a Guardia in sight.
Affirmative.
Direct 2215, clear visual approach 22, tower 187.
Good visual 22, 187, Brickyard.
Beautiful view of the southern tip of Manhattan.
Jazz 988, when you have a second, what's the reason for the go-around?
We just weren't fully configured there for Jazz 988.
Roger, thanks. 2817, proceed direct to bridge, follow the Hudson northbound, center maintain 4000.
Direct to the bridge, follow the Hudson down.
We'll get him inside Jazz 988.
Jazz 988, follow the Airbus, clear visual approach 22.
On the Airbus, clear the visual 22, Jazz 988.
Air 4723, descend and maintain 3000.
3000, Brickyard 4723.
Air 4723, turn right at 130.
Right turn 130, Brickyard 4723.
Air 4861, reduce speed to 210, and descend and maintain 4000. 2469, reduce speed to 180.
180 on the speed.
Air 4723, turn right at 130, descend and maintain 2000.
County 130 down at 2000, we have Jazz in the airport.
Flaps 15.
Speed checked.
Air
Flaps 15 set.
4575, traffic following 12 o'clock, 3 miles on final, sending out a 2200 Embraer.
Inside Brickyard 4575.
Air 4575,
This is the guy
follow
we're
the
following.
Embraer, clear visual approach to runway 22.
Clear for visual 22, Brickyard 4575.
2469, flighting 050.
050, 24.
050.
Square 4591, when able to see directed powers on a bridge, follow the Hudson River northbound, center maintain 4000.
4000, STRIX towers on bridge, shut down, break 45.
Square 4575, tower 187.
Tower 187, break here 45. That web.
Up 2469, center maintain 3000.
3,000.
Up 2817, reduce speed to 180.
I don't know, you're not still to 2870.
The traffic is off our
2469, turn
right.
right 130.
Right there. So we are turning to 130.
Up 2469, turn right heading 130.
130, 2469.
Square 4861, reduce speed to 180.
180, break at 4861.
Looks like it's going to be a perfect sequence again.
Up 2469, center maintain 2000.
2,000 feet, set.
That was 2000, 2469.
South of 715, fly heading 050 to center maintain 3000.
Perfect sequence. So if we look here, Brickyard is right there. It's about 4 miles.
2500.
And they run the tight here at LaGuardia. So we're going to get an inbound turn here.
Inside.
Affirmative.
Up 2469, turn right heading 190, clear visual approach 22, tower 187.
190, clear to visual 22, calling tower 2469.
South of 1674.
2838, Gus 15.
22, clear to land, break here at 4575.
190, clear for the approach.
Tower Delta 2469, visual 22.
CL 2469, LaGuardia Tower, about 3.5 miles from Hudson River. Wind is 2808, Gus 1522, clear to land.
Clear to land, Delta 2469.
Charlie joins Bravo.
Gear down.
Company on mile off. Delta 2469, turn left Charlie, join Bravo, ground 17 today.
Charlie Bravo, ground Delta 2469.
Trip.